Hi everyone, I'm Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I stuff my pine bases with mesh. I have a older video that's already posted on YouTube, but I thought I would do another one. This is for a winter kind of a gingerbread theme wreath that I am planning on doing next. So I thought a few people commented on one of my videos because I asked if they wanted me to do a video, just let me know. So a few did, so here we are. So I get most of these from Hobby Lobby, especially now they're 50% off. So I stack up every time I go to Hobby Lobby. So it's like a double ring and it's elevated. Those are the wreath forms that I like. And so I fluffed it up a little, and I've already gone ahead and cut my mesh. I am using 3 different kinds of mesh for this particular project. And when I do 3 different meshes, I usually cut up 9 pieces of each one, giving me 27 pieces. And I do that, they're 21 inches long, and I use the 10-inch rolls. So I'm using this like neutral. I have this red, white, and green roll, and also just like a emerald green. So again, I have cut out 9 pieces of each one of these rolls that are 21 inches long. That is just my preference. You can cut them as long or as short as you want. Sometimes when I'm like at the end of a roll, it'll be either a little longer or a little shorter, and that really, it doesn't matter. You can't tell once you stuff your wreath with all of your elements and embellishments and ribbons. So that's what we're going to do here. All right. So again, I've already cut up the mesh. So that is, so now I'll just prop you guys up over here. I want to make sure. There you go. And I'm just gonna put it all up here. And I'm just gonna alternate between the different colors. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll each side a few times, and then I'm gonna scrunch it up in the middle. All right, like that, and then flip it over, and I'm going to stuff that in here. And I start with the outer ring. And then you just open it up a little, so it's like that. All right, and now I'm gonna go with my second mesh. And again, I'm just going to fold the edges in a few times and then crinkle it up in the center, like that. Flip it over and stuff it. And you can space it out however you want. I usually leave a few needles in between, so, and I just move it around, okay? Then my workspace is not very large, so I gotta compromise a little. All right, so with the third one, again, just and you try to tuck it in as deep as you can and really tighten it. You don't want that going anywhere. All right, and this is all you do. You do the outer layer of it. It's really a bad idea using long sleeve shirts with mesh, because I don't know how many shirts I've ruined. It gets caught up in there and fringes it, but so yeah. See, that's how it looks like. All right, but we will keep on going. All right, use the green. And then flip it over. And depending on what kind of wreath I'm doing, like this is going to be kind of a whimsical, so all of this mesh, some of it will help in my elements because I won't have to like fill it completely with greenery. Oh, I'm not paying attention. That should have been, oh wait, yeah. Oh, all right, well, I completely messed up my, my order, but that's fine. Doesn't really matter. You just want to use the same amount. But anyway, so it's gonna, this is gonna look nice in this wreath because this mesh, a lot of it's gonna show. And that's why I'm using these colors. This is the sign that I'm gonna put on it right here. So I thought, you know, a little bit of the neutral and then the greens, reds, a little white. So yeah, so it'll be nice that a little bit is going to be showing throughout the wreath after the finished product. Again, just find 2 needles, stick them in between, and really give them a good tight twist. See, I need it on the board. Sorry, I don't want to be in your way. Hi. But I want you to be able to see. So it's a little difficult. Again, my workspace is a little cramped, but you know what? You make it work, right? Be blessed for the space you do have, and I'm very blessed for in that. All right. I find this very therapeutic when I stuff these bases. It's, you know, I don't know, very calming, relaxing. Very redundant, but all right, get some more on the floor. And you can find the mesh. Hobby Lobby, I mean, has these. This is, I believe, from Hobby Lobby. I think from last year. But I also get a lot of mesh from Craft Outlets. They have really good prices. Yeah, that's where I get most of my mesh from, Craft Outlet. Again, during this video, guys, if you have any questions or comments, drop them in there. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, hope you guys are learning something. You know, we all start somewhere, and I started making wreaths watching YouTube videos. And, you know, there's so many talented people out there. And we all can learn from each other. So, and the wreath community is absolutely amazing. The coaching groups that they have out there are amazing. If you need any recommendations, I'm in Candy's crew. You can find her on Facebook. She's amazing. I've learned so much from that community. So I would definitely check her out. Yeah. Right. So we're almost done with the outer layer. right. Actually, this is going to work out perfect. I'm going to put one green there. And there we go for the outer ring, see? And now we work our way in. And I just like, so this one has the green. I'm gonna start with the red. And again, you can start off with whatever color you want on the inner ring. You just wanna make sure they're spaced apart. So like I wouldn't start with this above that. So I'll do it like kitty corner to it. Then again, same technique. You're just in the inner ring now. And twist it. And alternate it. Well, you know what? I'm going to do green because, yep, like I said, that mesh, those two would have been the same colors. So I'm just going to alternate. Put the green after the red one. And again, the rolls do not have to be perfect. So just space them out. Ribbon everywhere. I'm hoping I don't have to cut anymore. I think I measured correctly. And again, if you're going around and like you see that this tan is your next color, but it's gonna, you know, be the same on both the top and the bottom, switch it around. Again, there's no rules into how you stuff your bases. This, I just want to show you guys the technique that I am using that has been working for me. But you play around with it and whatever makes you comfortable and, you know, happy. Stuck on my shirt. Do I have a green? And I measured perfectly. That never happens. Like ever. I sometimes have to cut more or I cut too much, but this is perfect. All right, so there you go. And then I'm gonna do, I'll show you a little trick. Move you back here. All right, so now we have stuffed our base with all the mesh, okay? And you can leave it if you like the circular shape for your wreaths, that's great. But I have been, I saw this from another designer and I really loved the method, the technique. And then I noticed other, like a lot of designers do this. So if you want that oval shape, basically you're just gonna put it against, and you're just gonna wiggle it to the shape you want. So now, see, I just ruined my shape. So now you have oval wreath base. And then you just move the mesh inward, and now I am all ready to design. All right. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Again, my name is Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop. If you are interested in any of my designs, you can check out my Etsy shop at calebsmomshop.etsy.com. Subscribe to my channel. You can check out past videos that I've done. I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me, taking some time out of your day to watch me do a little wreath making. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will chit chat soon. All right, bye-bye.